Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this 12-piece metal drilling hole set. So it's 12 pieces, comes in a case, which is absolutely awesome. So let's open this up so you can see everything that comes in there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you got some extra pieces. And you got the case. And you got your little Allen keys as well. So very cool. And these are tungsten carbide tipped, so that will make it cutting through metal a lot easier. And just by bouncing around in here, they are super sharp already, so definitely be careful. And since you're going to be cutting with metal, make sure that you're wearing proper safety gear, safety glasses, gloves, etc. And let me see, they are by, if I pronounce it correctly, ASNOMY. And I'm excited to actually get this set because I'm going to be drilling a lot of holes into some metal fabrication that I'm starting to do, just to you know, fix some stuff up around the garage, make some improvements, and we go from there. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll see how they cut, and we'll be right back. All right, and before you start drilling, make sure that you have the inner drill bit basically tightened down. Like I said, that's awesome. It's got the Allen keys included. And then basically we just turn it on, sprays down some oil, and then we start drilling. And it makes quick work of that. And we'll pour it down to the next level. Drilled through that pretty quick and easy. So, as you can see, a nice, quick, easy hole. And we go from there. But what a great job. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.